Does everyone love your product? Does your food product go with everything? And I hear that so often. So that's not the way that we're going to build a business. That's not the most success. We want to find the low-hanging fruit. We want to find the most likely consumers that are going to purchase our product, and we want to focus on them specifically as we're starting and building a business. The most successful food entrepreneurs that I work with, they're very big at collaborating, working with within their local market to be successful. So they're working with businesses, they're working with, they're at food festivals, they're collaborating with other entrepreneurs and local brands. They're working with, in our case, specifically mayors, government offices, folks that they can collaborate with and get the word out to their local community. The Barbie movie, I want to share with you, I've got a list here of just some of the collaborations that they did that were so big. They created a game. One of my favorite with the Barbie movie that I don't know why, but it's just so out of the box was the Airbnb. So they had a Malibu beach house on Airbnb that they ran as a promotion for the Barbie movie. Again, there's so much on fan events. They did pop-up experiences. I just want to go down this list. So for fashion, and it's just amazing. They did all of this. They worked with Zara, Forever 21, Gap, Hot Topic, Boohoo, Bloomingdale's, Barefoot Dreams, and Posh Peanut. When I'm sharing this, think about the focus. We talked earlier about working with kids and parents. So think about the fact that these collaborations, how focused they are. It's not just everywhere. They're not going broad to all consumers, but they're really focused on a particular consumer. And that's my recommendation or lesson here is you want to focus on either your consumers in your market, consumers in your region, or your specific demographic or the person most likely to use your product. So we look at accessories, fossils, Loungefly, Alex and Annie, Kitsch, Chi, Mermaid, Tangle Teaser, Home and Lifestyle, Ruggable, Homesick, Glasshouse Fragrances, Fun Boy, Joybird, food and beverages. Wow. What they did with Pinkberry is, I just thought it was so awesome. The Barbie Land Berry Pink, Swoon, you've got Cold Stone Creamery, Pasta G, Regal Theaters makes sense, and Burger King. So again, they are going after their demographic. And then some of the, they did a bunch more. I'm not going to list them all, but just Crocs, Bumble, and Impala Skate. So they really focused on areas to grow the Barbie movie, and these are all elements of being successful for a food business. As a matter of fact, the Barbie movie, it's almost as though they read the playbook straight out of my book. Everyone's got a recipe, and I wanted to share this as a resource as well. I'll just share with you part of the 5 elements to scale food makers to million are in my book. You can get it at gettimsbook.com. I'll share a link. There's a link on the screen right now. And then also I'll pay for the book if you'll pay for the shipping, and we'll send it out to you. But this isn't so much about the book as it is the 5 lessons. Just to share with you, they're doing the exact same thing with a Barbie movie that you can be doing with your food business. And so in my book, I go into a lot more detail on this. But the first thing they do is they choose a specific demographic. They choose an avatar. They choose to direct their efforts towards an individual group of customers, consumers, or shoppers. And that's what I recommend in the book. And that's where the success comes from. A lot of food entrepreneurs are able to are able to be in business for a while, and they discover this, and they naturally focus on those shoppers and consumers and or people that visit their food store. The second item is basically the market message. We've talked about that. The third one is the channel, and they did so much in various channels on promotion. And the last part, and the fourth area is the actual product itself. And so similar, they put so much more effort into the marketing than they actually did the product as far as in dollar investment. It's just lesson after lesson after lesson for your food business. I hope this has been valuable for you, gave you some inspiration for marketing your own food product. Hey, if you have a successful product, you have some traction and you're looking to scale it, would love to talk to you. Jump on my calendar at timforrestmarkets.com. Hey, if you just have a simple question, you can always shoot me an email, tim@timforrest.com. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.